Colombia's plastic manufacturing industry is looking to help their country treat coronavirus patients. 4 companies collaborated in building mobile hospital units made from polyvinyl chloride, the plastic known as PVC.
Y el PVC como tal tiene ventajas como decía antes, ventajas infinitas para la aplicación médica. La principal es que ni las bacterias ni los hongos pueden crecer sobre este material. Es un material de muy fácil limpieza.
The units, between 50 to 75 square meters in size, can be manufactured and assembled in less than a week. Compared to traditional construction materials, plastic is cheaper and more lightweight, which makes the units a perfect solution for a pandemic.
Eh, una unidad de 70 metros cuadrados alberga más o menos 14 camas con su pequeña oficina para los doctores y enfermería.
The need for hospital beds in Colombia could become acute. Over the last 10 days, the number of new cases has continued to climb, averaging more than 662 a day. Continuing at that rate, the number of new cases could overwhelm Colombia's healthcare system. Even before the pandemic, Colombia had a shortage of hospital beds. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development reported in 2018 that Colombia had fewer than 2 hospital beds per 1,000 inhabitants. Assembla, one of the companies making the plastic hospital units, says 20 have been sold and sent to some of Colombia's most remote regions. Other local governments have asked the company to be on standby if they see a surge in the number of coronavirus patients.
Cuando tú construyes esta unidad hospitalaria, se puede utilizar en el parqueadero de un hospital, se puede utilizar como muros divisorios dentro de una plaza ferial, como se ha hecho en varios sitios del mundo. Y después de que acabe la pandemia, nos podemos llevar ese material y utilizarlo y reutilizarlo como cualquier otra estructura.
While Colombia's government has made contingency plans for a large outbreak, the private sector is also making preparations to make sure it's ready to assist. Michelle Vegas, CGTN, Bogotá, Colombia.